able to eat and wash your hands. It's gonna be a long day, you know?
Yeah, that's a good idea.
All right, let's be a husky. So we're filming. Yay. Okay, goody.
Should I be a regular husky or a rainbow husky?
Be regular. Okay. I hear an animal. What is that? It's like some sort of a bird. Are there going to be are there animals coming? There are, aren't there? I'm a little worried because I put up these streamers and there's going to be some horses, and I hope that the streamers don't scare the horses. I'll ask the people, because if they're scaring the horses, we don't like that.
Yeah.
We want the babies to be scared.
So cute.
I'm sure they probably wouldn't like it.
Not one bit.
They're like, we are horses. We do not know about these streamer things, and we don't like them.
You've got to be my mouth.
Oh, I'm sorry. Here, I try it. Oops, here, let me wipe it off. Here. You okay?
Yeah.
Sorry.
It's okay.
Let's see. Oh, here come the tractors. I should have set up so that the tractors would be in the movie. I'm dumb. I'm a big old dummy. Let's see. Okay. Let's close eyes softly.
I'm looking like a husky.
Yeah, you are. At this moment, you look more like some sort of a white...
What did you want?
She's being a husky. But right now, you look like a white fox. Here. So far, you don't look like a husky yet. But just give me time.
I'm gonna.
Give me a little bit of time here. Close eyes. Okay.
Is that your special one?
Yeah, I don't have very much white sparkles. I have a lot of silver, but I think the white's pretty today, so we're just gonna use it. Use it till it's gone, right?
I can see him falling.
Yeah, the white ones don't stay on very well. I might put silver on you too. Okay, honey, we do our eyeshadow. As soon as it's on, I'm gonna dry it, sweetie, so just don't open.
Where's the husky picture? It's over there, the second one. The second? It's on the second. Oh, is it this one? Oh, that's a cow. There's a husky.
I'm gonna bring it closer to me. Okay. I'm starting to have the same thing that happened yesterday. I couldn't reach anybody. I don't know why. I don't know what's the matter with me.
Oh, I found it. It looks like you messed up a little bit though on the husky last time.
Did I?
Yeah, because it's all smeared up top.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Make sure it is. My mom hasn't even seen it yet. So I can't seem to find her. She's working up at the store. Oh. Or she came back, I don't know. Let's go show Chloe. Yeah.
Looks so pretty. You see?
Oh, it's still getting there. Still got the bangs on the way though.
That's okay. Just
The
leave them for
black's
now.
not gonna come off her face, but the black hasn't been coming off the face quite enough. I don't care. Like under the eye, like it hasn't been coming off. So you might want to put a little less water so it comes
Last
off.
time you gave me a butterfly, it would not come off my face. It took like 3 days.
Oh no.
Yeah, it actually did. It's cute.
Oh no.
The thing is, it dries and it's not as vibrant. Than it is.
Remember last time I got a pink butterfly?
Oh.
Like it's not.
What's the most popular?
Like it's drying and it gets gray.
The most requested?
Yeah.
Probably
You
the rainbow
both
tiger.
you both picked very highly requested ones. Spider-Man is highly requested.
What about
The unicorn, the husky's highly requested.
what about the rainbow tiger?
Yeah, the rainbow tiger is the top requested tiger.
Have you actually done all of these?
Yeah.
I saw the rainbow bunny.
You don't have me on there.
I know. You used to make me do unusual things. Do you remember?
You should have done that. You should have put me in the moon up there.
Oh, that's right.
Maybe you could find it. Probably on a different camera though.
Maybe I'll take a picture of you two girls together here today. Would that be cute?
I didn't know. I thought husky was probably going to be a rare one.
How about this? Next time I'll let you put me on your channel.
You will?
Yeah, because
Okay, softly close your eyes.
I'm afraid of being on Instagram and stuff,
Uh-huh.
and I want to like a few maybe years or months.
You want to be a little older?
Yeah, I'm gonna be 9 in 2 months.
Wow.
If I get my family, I want them.
I'm not afraid of stage fright. I don't have it.
Please no. Did my face paint smear on the side?
No, you're still perfect.
No, it's just glitter. I like that.
Is it on my back? I trust her more than you.
She's
Oh my God,
painted.
you look so pretty. Let's see.
Nice.
You look so pretty. Here, let me look at you.